Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on zeros, singularities and poles, lecture number 8, in which I will give the concept of limit point of poles. In my previous lecture, I have already proved that the limit point of zeros is an isolated essential singularity. Now I will give the concept of limit point of poles. Now I will prove a theorem. Theorem is the limit point of a sequence of poles of a function is a non-isolated essential singularity. Now we prove this. Let alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 be a sequence alpha n of poles of a function of z. Let alpha be the limit point of this sequence of poles. Therefore, every neighborhood of alpha contains infinitely many poles. Alpha I 1, 2. Let this is alpha and this is the neighborhood of alpha. This neighborhood contains infinitely many poles, alpha 1, alpha 2 and so on. In each point alpha I of neighborhood n alpha, the function is unbounded. Therefore, according to the definition of an analytic function, function of z is not analytic at z equal to alpha, because a function is said to be analytic at a point z equal to a if the function is defined and differentiable at the point z equal to a, as well as it is defined and differentiable in the neighborhood of z equal to a. But in the neighborhood of z equal to alpha, the function is unbounded, so it is not analytic. The function is not analytic. Therefore, z equal to alpha is a singular point. Not analytic means singular point. Since we know that poles are isolated, here every neighborhood in alpha of alpha contains infinitely many singular points. The singular points are poles. So, alpha is not a pole, rather it is a non-isolated essential singular point. Therefore, limit point of sequence of pole is a non-isolated essential singular point. Proved. As every neighborhood of alpha contains infinitely many poles, that is singular point, so it is non-isolated. Also, it is not a pole because we know that poles are isolated, but this z equal to alpha is not isolated, so it is not a pole, rather it is a non-isolated essential singular point. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.